Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. When you send an automated confirmation from Google Forms, where do your customers go when they hit reply? By default, those replies often land in your personal inbox, mixing business with your private life. With smart form notifications, you can protect your privacy and keep your professional communication organized by customizing your reply to address. To get started, open your sidebar and enter the configuration for your specific workflow. Head over to the Email Template tab. This is where you control exactly how your outgoing emails look and behave. To ensure customer replies go to the right place, we'll look for the advanced email settings. Simply enter your preferred team email, like support or info at your company domain. From now on, every automated message sent by this workflow will carry this instruction. When a respondent clicks reply, their mail client will automatically address the message to your professional team inbox, not your personal one. Hit save, and your settings are locked in. The result? A clean, professional workflow. Your personal life stays private, your team stays in the loop, and your customers receive the high-level experience they expect. No more lost inquiries, just centralized automated support. Take the next step in professionalizing your Google Forms. Install Smart Form notifications from the Google Workspace Marketplace today. Visit gwaddons.com to discover more ways to work smarter.